Popular sovereignty is the principle that the authority of a government is created and sustained by the consent of its people, who hold the ultimate power. This idea emphasizes that governments derive their legitimacy from the will of the governed, making it a cornerstone of democratic systems. The origins of popular sovereignty can be traced back to Enlightenment thinkers such as John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Locke's theory of the social contract proposed that people voluntarily form governments to protect their natural rights. Rousseau expanded on this idea, emphasizing the collective will of the people as the foundation of legitimate governance. Popular sovereignty gained practical application during the American and French revolutions, where it was used to justify independence and democratic reforms. Popular sovereignty operates through several key concepts, including the consent of the governed, majority rule, and the accountability of leaders. One core concept is the consent of the governed, which means that political authority arises from the approval of the people. For instance, in a democratic election, citizens vote for representatives to make decisions on their behalf. This process ensures that the government reflects the people's will and maintains legitimacy. Another important concept is majority rule, which ensures that decisions are made based on the preferences of the majority while protecting minority rights. For example, in a referendum, the outcome is determined by the majority vote, but constitutional safeguards may exist to prevent the majority from infringing on fundamental rights. Accountability is another key element of popular sovereignty. Elected leaders are expected to act in the best interests of their constituents and can be removed through elections or other legal mechanisms if they fail to do so. For instance, term limits and impeachment processes ensure that leaders remain answerable to the people. The strengths of popular sovereignty include its promotion of democratic participation and the protection of individual freedoms. By prioritizing the will of the people, this principle fosters greater engagement in political processes and ensures that governments are responsive to the needs of their citizens. Popular sovereignty also provides a foundation for equality, as it treats all individuals as having an equal voice in shaping their government. However, popular sovereignty is not without its challenges. One criticism is that it can lead to the tyranny of the majority, where the rights of minority groups are overlooked or suppressed. Additionally, the effectiveness of popular sovereignty relies on informed and active citizenry, which can be hindered by misinformation, apathy, or unequal access to political participation. Critics also point out that the principle may be undermined in systems where economic or social inequalities influence political outcomes. Solutions to address these challenges include implementing robust constitutional protections, promoting civic education, and ensuring equal access to political participation. Constitutional safeguards such as a Bill of Rights help protect minority rights from majority overreach. Civic education fosters an informed electorate, enabling citizens to make better decisions and hold leaders accountable. Policies that reduce barriers to voting and participation, such as eliminating voter suppression and increasing access to information, strengthen the foundation of popular sovereignty. These solutions aim to ensure that governments truly reflect the will of the people while upholding justice and equality.